So here we will tell you how to delete any YouTube channel permanently. So whenever you want to delete any channel permanently, just go to this icon and click over here and select your channel. If this is not your channel that is listed on the top, then click on the switch account and select the channel that you want to delete. Okay, so I have selected this channel that I wanted to delete. So after selecting this channel, and we will click the icon at the top right again, and we'll go to the Google account here. Okay, so just click on the Google account, so another window will open up. Actually we are telling on the laptop, and the similar procedure is for mobile also. Okay, so after coming over here, you need to click to data and privacy. Okay, so after data and privacy, you need to come down little bit, and you will see somewhere delete your Google account. Okay, so click over here on the Google account, and it will ask to passwords and all, and ask for the re-verification. So you need to re-verify your account if you want to. And now you will see that what are the services that will be deleted. So here it is YouTube service that is to be deleted. There are 15 plus videos over here, and one calendar is there that will also be deleted. And you need to acknowledge here, yes, I acknowledge that I am still responsible for any charges incurred due to pending financial transaction. Understand that under certain circumstances my earning won't be paid out. Okay, so this you need to select, and this, yes, I want to permanently delete this Google account. Which Google account? This one, delete BSNL ERP help desk. So this is the name of the YouTube channel that I wanted to delete. So final step is to click over here and delete it permanently. Okay, so I'm just clicking over here, and it will start deletion. It will show it what it is doing. So what it is saying, key privacy options help to choose the data saved in your account, the ads you see if you share with others, and more. So this is the thing that is showing at the end of this. And you need to see what are this history settings are there. These are paused, and timeline is paused due to history is on over here. And you need to come a little bit down, and you need to see what other things are there that you may be required to see. Okay, let's see what is there. So this is giving the option also for downloading, download or delete your data. To download your data, delete the Google service. So this is the option that we need to choose, or download this data. This is also there. So we want to delete it, so we'll check over here. Let's go back what it is showing now. So let's see. So you can see that the channel does not exist. So it means this channel has been deleted permanently. Okay, so let's see again whether this channel exists or not. So let's click over the YouTube again. So we are here at the YouTube again, and we'll click over the icon at the right side. Okay, and now we'll see to switch account. Let's see switch account. So I can see that there is no such account available. If I click to view all channels, then also I think that channel will not appear over here. So this is the way to delete any YouTube channel permanently. Okay, so this is all. Thank you very much.